My Lord.
The two MPs, Ssegirinya of Kawempe South and Allan Ssewanyana of Makindye West, have been in detention without trial for more than a year now. They are accused of murder, attempted murder and terrorism. Government critics have called it a political witch hunt through the courts of law. Even the leader of the opposition in Parliament once accused the judiciary on the floor of the House of denying the MPs' two constituencies representation. These statements prompted the Chief Justice to respond to the matter.
Some people have tried to attack courts even, wrongfully trying to play politics in judicial matters. These accused persons have now been committed to the High Court. They are now property of the court. It is now up to the court to ensure that they are tried expeditiously.
Owiny-Dollo adds that the trial of the two will begin before end of April, which ends this quarter.
This very quarter, the trial of the members of Parliament will begin. Let me say this to the state. You are the one who brought these accused persons to court. You made allegations against them. The law says they are innocent until you prove the matter in court. When the trial begins, there will be no dilly-dallying. The state has got the capacity to bring all its witnesses. I will ask the trial judge, I don't know who will be the trial judge, do not entertain any nonsense in the trial of these members of Parliament, the public figures. If the state is not ready to have them tried, Right Honorable Prime Minister, one of the rights the trial judge has is to dismiss the case.
He also had this to say to the defendants' lawyers.
The advocates who are going to represent the accused persons, there will be no, these adjournments of this excuse and that excuse, the trial will go on. We do not want anybody to make the judiciary of Uganda complicit in denying any person justice.
Ssegirinya and Ssewanyana were arrested in September 2021 and charged with murder and attempted murder before the charges were revised to include terrorism. This followed a spate of attacks by panga-wielding thugs in Lwengo and Masaka districts between July and August 2021. On remand since their arrest, they had been appearing before a lower court without jurisdiction to try capital offences until March 2022 when they were committed to the High Court for trial. Not even their applications for bail could earn them freedom. The Chief Justice made the remarks at the opening of the new law year, which was attended by, among others, the Attorney General and the Prime Minister on behalf of the President as chief guest. Attorney General Chiwanuka responded to human rights concerns related to illegal arrests and torture raised by the President of the Uganda Law Society.
Right Honorable Prime Minister, I'm going to say it here. I have refused and I have written, if a person is brought before me
followed a spate of attacks by panga-wielding thugs in Lwengo and Masaka districts between July and August 2021.
I have asked that individual to represent themselves. So if you illegally arrest and a civil matter is brought against you, we will not represent you.
The courts should not be seen to protect thieves and murderers by relying on technicalities and strange procedures to quickly release them. Some of these are the issues that lower the confidence of our people in judiciary.
The new lawyer's theme is focused on pushing the judiciary's transformation agenda to improve dispensation of justice. Edward Muhumza, NTV.